Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make those beautiful placemats for your Christmas table. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get into it. To make a sewing pattern, draw a circle measuring 12 inches in diameter and add preferred seam allowance. You'll need to cut out 2 circles from the same fabric per mat, plus an extra circle from canvas to place in between. To make the ruffle, cut a strip of fabric 5 inches wide and twice the circumference of the circle in length. Place green circle and canvas left side facing together and pin in place. Then take it to your sewing machine and sew a straight stitch close to the raw edge inside the seam allowance. Now I'm going to show you how to attach piping. The corded side has to face towards the center of the mat. As you can see, I'm pinning it in place. To join the ends of piping, leave about an inch extra at both ends. Then remove about an inch of stitching on one side and then cut the same amount of cord. Insert the corded end inside the fabric casing on the other end. Stitch close to the cord. You might want to get cording presser foot for that. They are available for left and right side, and I'm pretty sure you can get them online for home sewing machine as well. Fold the ruffle in half lengthwise and press. Then connect both ends right sides together and stitch. Divide the ruffle into quarters to match the quarter points on the circle. Change stitch length to the longest your machine allows. Then sew a basting stitch from quarter point to quarter point along the raw edge. It is going to make it easier to gather later. Pin the ruffle to the circle, matching quarter points first. Then gather the ruffle evenly between each set of quarters. Sew a straight stitch attaching both layers together. To finish the placemat, place the second circle on top of the ruffled piece, right sides together. Pin around the edge. Then sew a straight stitch on top of the other stitch, so the thread won't be visible on the right side, and remember to leave a small opening for turning. Turn the placemat to the right side. Then hand stitch the opening close. It would be better if you had matching thread. I didn't have one, which is fine because you will see later this stitch will be invisible on the right side anyways, so that's why I didn't need to use a matching one. But for some of you, if this is very important to you, make sure to get the matching thread. I have to say those placemats turn out so much better than I could have imagined, and I can't wait to make them in so many different colors for different occasions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.